Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this video in which we'll be talking about Illuvium and the ILV token, which has been massively bullish over the last 24 hours. That's the main reason we're covering it. But apart from that, I know that there's quite a substantial Illuvium community around Cilinix Crypto. And apart from that, it's just interesting to look at it. Illuvium is perhaps one of the most and best developed crypto games out there. Which if you want to know more about that, check out their Twitter, but it really looks good. It really, if you take a look at some in-game graphs, it looks amazing. However, even though I think it's great that we're bullish like this, we're up almost 30%, volume is up to 117 million. I am not sure why we are this bullish. So that's where I need your help. I think that it's possibly some manipulation. But there could be something I missed. I mean, we obviously did some research on that, but I really could not find any big news event that caused something like this. So yeah, that's just what we'll have to deal with. We'll just focus on the technicals. But apart from that, like I said, Illuvium is doing great things, and it really is looking like a more and more good project. I still remember last year when I covered it, it was 100% not as far as they are right now. So yeah, if we take a look at Illuvium right now, you can see that obviously together with the entire market, we've been bullish ever since the beginning of January. Illuvium really started to pick up when we broke above this resistance level here around 73, which actually was yesterday, basically after the interest rate decision on Wednesday evening, when we got quite a lot of bullish momentum in the markets. Illuvium managed to break above $73, $72, also break through $80, and then with some more resistance, that has to be said, but then we also broke through this major level between $88 and $94, and that brings us where we are right now, around $100, which you can see is a major resistance level. There's this, it technically it runs from like 100 or a 99 even, all the way up to this level right here around $105, very strong. But the good news is that we also broke above $90, as I said, and that's quite a strong level as well. So right now we're just technically we're stuck. We're stuck in the middle between $100 and $90. So what's going to happen now is we're going to drop down to $90 and we're going to find support there, right? Whether we drop down to $92 or to $88 doesn't matter. It's still considered the $90 support level. We'll drop down there, we're going to find support there if we can actually hold that level for the next 2 days, all right? Starting now, we're not even starting after we touch that level, but starting now, if we can stay on top of that, I think we're going higher. I think we're going up to 105. Now, can we also break through 105 afterwards and get to 110, and then perhaps after even towards 115, 117, which is the next level, as you can see. Yes, I do think we can get higher than 105, but we would need some more bullish momentum coming from the markets. So we would need to see Bitcoin at 25,000, for example. If Bitcoin stays stable, I think 105 is our final price target. But even though this looks amazing, it's not necessarily the most likely scenario, because right now, as some of you might know, there's a little bit more bearish momentum in the markets, as you can see. So what's going to happen, as I said in the beginning, we are definitely going to drop down to that $90 level. But if we cannot hold that for the next 2 days, that's really the most important part, because we need to show that we have that strength in Illuvium at these price levels. If we cannot hold that level, so if we break down below 88 cents, what's going to happen is that we'll take a break retest and we'll drop down to 80 cents, consolidate there, and then from there we'll just follow the markets, all right? Which could be bullish, but it could also be bearish. So altogether, while this scenario really shows that Illuvium still has the strength on its own to get even higher, this means that that $98 and around that $100 level was really our top, at least for the moment, and that we can only continue going up if the market allows that. So quite an important moment right now for Illuvium. If I would have to say that one of both is more likely, I would say it's this, because in the end $100, which we technically did not reach, but practically we reached the level, is a very strong resistance level, all right? And apart from that, with the added bearish momentum in the markets, I would say that we're a little bit inflated in price and that this is more likely. But, you know, it's like a 60%, 40% probability for this. So That's my take on Illuvium for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.